The concept of the language of God being silence, as explained through the lens of Stoicism, delves deep into the philosophical understanding of existence, the nature of divinity, and the human condition. Stoicism, an ancient Greco-Roman school of thought, founded in Athens by Zeno of Cilium in the early 3rd century BCE, offers profound insights into the interconnectedness of the universe and the role of silence in understanding the divine. At the heart of Stoicism lies the belief in the logos, an organizing principle of the cosmos that governs all aspects of reality. The logos is often equated with reason, divine intelligence, or the natural order of the universe. According to Stoic philosophy, this logos permeates everything, from the smallest atom to the grandest celestial body, and it is through the contemplation of the logos that one can attain wisdom and live in accordance with nature. Silence, in the Stoic tradition, is not merely the absence of sound but a profound state of inner tranquility and peace. It is the stillness of the mind, free from the distractions and disturbances of the external world. In this state of silence, one can attune oneself to the rhythm of the cosmos and listen to the whispers of the divine logos. The Stoic philosopher Epictetus famously said, "We have 2 ears and 1 mouth so that we can listen twice as much as we speak." This admonition underscores the importance of silence in the pursuit of wisdom. By quieting the incessant chatter of our own thoughts and desires, we open ourselves to the guidance of the logos and gain insight into the true nature of reality. Moreover, silence plays a crucial role in Stoic ethics, particularly in the practice of apatheia or emotional equanimity. The Stoics believe that true happiness and fulfillment come from living in harmony with nature, which requires accepting things as they are without undue attachment or aversion. In moments of difficulty or adversity, maintaining inner silence allows one to respond with clarity and serenity, rather than succumbing to fear or anger. Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic emperor of Rome, wrote in his Meditations, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts, therefore guard accordingly, and take care that you entertain no notions unsuitable to virtue and reasonable nature." Here Aurelius emphasizes the importance of cultivating a tranquil mind through the practice of silence, as it is the foundation of virtuous thought and right action. Furthermore, the language of God being silence implies a humility before the ineffable mysteries of existence. Stoicism teaches us to embrace our limitations as mortal beings and to recognize the vastness of the universe beyond our comprehension. In the face of such cosmic grandeur, words often fall short, and silence becomes the most eloquent expression of reverence and awe. The Stoic philosopher Seneca wrote, "We are born to inquire into the truth. It belongs to a greater power to possess it." This recognition of our inherent limitations underscores the humility necessary for spiritual growth. By surrendering the need to grasp and control, we open ourselves to the transcendent wisdom of the divine logos, which speaks to us in the language of silence. Moreover, the Stoic conception of God differs from traditional anthropomorphic deities found in many religious traditions. Rather than a personal God who intervenes in human affairs, the Stoic God is synonymous with nature itself, an immanent force that governs the cosmos with perfect rationality and harmony. In this sense, the language of God being silence reflects the inherent order and beauty of the natural world, which speaks to us not through words but through the silent language of existence. The Stoic philosopher Cleanthes expressed this idea poetically in his hymn to Zeus, writing, "Lead me, O Zeus, and thou, O destiny, to that goal long ago to me assigned. I'll follow readily, but if my will prove weak, wretched as I am, I must follow still." Here, Cleanthes acknowledges the sovereignty of fate and the necessity of aligning oneself with the divine will, even in the face of adversity. In conclusion, the language of God being silence, as expounded by Stoicism, encapsulates a profound understanding of the interconnectedness of all things and the transcendent wisdom inherent in the natural order of the universe. By cultivating inner silence and attuning ourselves to the divine logos, we can achieve a deeper sense of purpose, fulfillment, and harmony with the cosmos. In the stillness of silence, we discover the voice of God speaking to us in the language of existence itself.